Hi everyone, today I am here with an unboxing of the Cabas H in Biais 27 tote bag. All right. So here is the bag. First thing that you notice is that the side of the bag is in H canvas. So canvas here, and you see the H motif here. There's an ombre like blue to pink on each side. And the strap is in a swift in this beautiful darker pink color. The bag comes with a shoulder strap as well as these two handles. The shoulder strap is not removable. So unlike some of the other bags, like a Kelly for instance, you have to keep the strap on. Inside the bag, the interior is lined on all sides in the canvas, and the bottom, as you can see, is in Swift as well. The bottom of the bag on the outside is also in Swift. So this bag is a 27, which means that it's approximately 9 3/4 inches tall by 9.5 wide, and the depth or thickness is about 3.5 inches. As this is canvas, it will stretch and flex some. So if you do have something that's a little bit bigger or bulky, or if you're carrying a lot of things, it will adjust a little bit to account for that. So we decided to get this just because of the style. I don't really have many tote bags, so thought it would be something interesting to add to our collection. We also like the different color combination with the ombre on the outside. Makes it a little bit unique as well. So this, as I was mentioning, you can either hold the bag like this or put it on the shoulder like this. I should also mention that in addition to not being removable, this shoulder strap is also not adjustable. So you essentially have to use the bag as is. But it seems to be, at least for me, a pretty good size. I feel comfortable holding this on the shoulder, and obviously if I want to, I can hold it like this, or even if I really want to, put the shoulder strap inside, and that way I don't have it hanging out. There is also a pocket inside on the top of the bag here. The pocket is in the Swift calfskin as well, in the same color. So if you do have some small items that you don't want bouncing around in the bag, you can just slide them in there. So we're definitely looking forward to using this in the coming weeks. And in the US, this bag retails for $4,900 as of September 2021. As always, thank you for watching the videos, and please feel free to leave any comments or questions in the section below. See you next time.